Unique Aston Martin developed 4-liter V8 generates increased power to 707 PS and 900 Nm for the new DBX 707. The new DBX 707 is an SUV like no other. One which elevates Aston Martin to the pinnacle of the segment with a unique combination of blistering performance, supreme dynamics, unmistakable style and absolute luxury. Engineered with an abundance of character and compelling capability, DBX 707 is the ultimate SUV in every respect. Starting with the powertrain, Aston Martin's engineering team set about realizing the full potential of the DBX's 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8. Led by Aston Martin's head of powertrain engineering, Ralph Illenberger, the DBX 707's engine now features ball-bearing turbochargers and a bespoke engine calibration to liberate more power and torque. Also new to Aston Martin's flagship high-performance SUV is a 9-speed wet-clutch automatic transmission. Capable of managing much increased torque loadings compared with a regular torque converter automatic, this high-performance transmission allows output of the 4.0-liter V8 to be lifted to an immense 707 PS and 900 Nm, increases of 157 PS and 200 Nm over the DBX V8. New front-end treatment sees the DBX receive a larger front grille and all-new design of DRL complete with new air intakes and brake cooling ducts, plus a new front splitter profile. The satin chrome grille, enlarged to significantly increase cooling airflow to both the ultra-high performance V8 and new 9-speed transmission, features double vanes. The 6 horizontal bars now split to create more visual interest and make this range-topping model immediately identifiable. For customers looking to further enhance the exclusive nature of DBX 707 and create something truly unique, Q by Aston Martin, the brand's bespoke service delivers the ultimate in personalization. Offering an extensive palette of options, from unique graphics through to tinted carbons and bespoke materials on both the interior and exterior, each Q by Aston Martin commissioned car can push the boundaries of desire and is completely tailored to the customer.